Hey guys, so Forbes just released their list of highest paying bachelor's degrees. And I went through the list and noticed that like half of the degrees on this list are what I call hackable, which means you can go and earn these full bachelor's degrees in like less than a year. So I thought, you know what? Why don't I shoot a video and show you exactly how to accelerate each of the degrees on this list. So if you want one of these high paying bachelor's degrees, you can do it a whole lot faster. Now, if you don't know who I am, my name's Ryan. I earned a bachelor's degree in just 9 months. And now I teach other people how to earn college degrees really fast. Let's dive into the list, and I'm going to start walking you through how to accelerate each and every one of these degrees. Now, as we can see here, they're listing top 5 highest paying bachelor's degrees, but there are actually like 10 degrees on this list. Bachelor of Science in Renewable Energy, okay, electrical engineering, nursing, data science, computer science, statistics, mathematics, IT, cybersecurity. Most, like at least half of these are like truly hackable, but I can show you how to save at least a year or two with the ones that are not. So let's start with renewable energy. Now, the first thing I'll say with renewable energy, there is not a clear-cut path to hacking this particular degree. What I would personally do is find a hackable bachelor's degree, go earn that in 6 to 12 months, then go into renewable energy for my master's. But here's what I personally do. There's a school called the University of Maine at Presque Isle. They have what are called competency-based programs. They're fully self-paced. You can go through them really quickly. And if we scroll through their list of what you can actually study here, they've got a couple right here. History and political science with a political science concentration. Why in the world would I recommend this? Well, political science, the study of politics, basically, right? If you learn the political side of things, then you go get, let's say you got 3, 6, 12-month degree right here. Then you went into renewable energy. Well, guess what? You're now have a job doing renewable energy stuff and politics combined. So you're working with the government to make the air cleaner, which is pretty awesome. So high paying degree, you can save at least a few years here. Let's dive into number 2, electrical engineering. Now, I don't know of any hackable programs, but what I personally would do is maybe something like computer science for a bachelor's degree and then master in electrical engineering. Since computer science is later on this list, we are going to get to that. So let's dive into a BSN, Bachelor of Science in Nursing. Now, my personal favorite school for accelerated degrees in nursing is Western Governors University. If we go over to here to health and nursing, click on bachelor's degrees. As you can see here, they have a number of bachelor's degrees. As you can see right here, RN to BSN takes you from an RSN to a BSN. You can do this in just a couple months. Now, the challenge here is you have to have your RN first. Now, in some states, this particular school, WGU, has RN degrees, but only in some states. If you don't live in this state, what I would recommend is choosing what's called an ABSN degree. And essentially what that is you go accelerate any bachelor's degree you want, and then you find a local program called an ABSN program, Accelerated Bachelor of Science in Nursing, and you go through that program in like 12 months to go from any random bachelor's degree to a BSN in 12 months. That's how I personally would do it. Now, next on the list, we have data science, computer science, statistics or mathematics. Now, statistics and mathematics, I don't have accelerated paths for. And we're going to skip to the next ones: information technology systems, information technology, and cybersecurity. The school I would look to first for these tech degrees would be Western Governors University. On their homepage, they have bachelor's degrees in technology. As you can see here, there's computer science, there's cybersecurity, there's analytics, there's IT, like all these degrees that are on this list of highest paying, they have all of these. Now, this is my personal favorite school because you can like test out of your classes and go really quickly. I've seen bachelor's degrees earned here in as little as 3 months if you do it right. But there are a couple other schools with some decent tech degrees. One would be Purdue University Global, one would be University of Massachusetts Global. So tech degrees can be accelerated really quickly. Now, these are kind of my ideas for where to start, like the schools to actually start with. Next step is, how do you actually accelerate these degrees? Well, here's the big caveat. Universities are businesses and they want more money from you. So they're not going to allow you to step in and say, hey, we're going to let you get this degree in 3 months or 6 months or 9 months or 12 months. That's not going to happen. So the key here is you can't do things the school's way. You have to take the education into your own hands. Now, there's a 3-step process I want to teach you. It's really simple. Step 1, you're going to find schools that allow you to go at your own pace and then learn what you need to learn. Step 2, learn the information on your own. And then step 3, test out of your classes, or sometimes you'll write an essay to test out of an English class. Depends on the type of class you're taking. But these 3 steps are going to allow you to get a degree in months instead of years. Now, if you want a deep dive into actually how to accelerate these degrees, I'm going to leave a link down below in the video description to what I call my 3-step process of degree hacking, where I'm going to dive deeper into how to actually do this. Just click that if you'd like to learn more. Hope you've gotten value from the video. I'll talk to you in the next one.